What's up, YouTube? It's Ben back to me again, and today I got another unboxing for you guys. So this is my girlfriend's gift for our 6 years anniversary. We've been dating since 2018, so she had a little surprise for me. And guess what, guys? It is a pair of Nike Jumpman Jack trainer in the sales Muslin-Dark Mocha versions, colorway, and I'm a usual size 10. So the box itself has the Jumpman is in dark mocha colorway with a Jumpman logo with Cactus Jack logo on the front, Jack, then Jumpman as well. And the box has a very high quality materials to it, and it looks so fancy. And let's take out the box. So it's an open lid. So she gave me she wrote me a little gift card, like a card for me with all the wishes inside. And yeah, she even drawed us back here as well. And that's very cute. And here's the front. And yeah, let's focus on the shoes. So just dark mocha tissue paper, and I got a gold authenticity card. So it comes with a dark mocha dust bags and nothing else inside. So it box away. So let's talk about the dust bag. So dust bag is in dark mocha with the Cactus Jack and Jordan logo. So this is a new silhouette from Nike, Cactus Jack and Jordan. So it also has like a string in dark mocha with like red tips. And yeah, so let's take out the shoes inside the dust bag. And so it's because it's got authenticated by gold, so it's unwrapped, but I know that the retail pair would go with this kind of wrapped around papers and inside of the dust bag. So I'll open it up, take out the pair for you. Here you go, guys. This is the pair of Nike Jumpman Jack trainer. And overall, I think the sneakers themselves are beautiful. I like them since the release date. Actually, like before the release date, I saw this, the prototype, like the sample pair online, and I like the combinations. I think there are more upcoming colorway coming up in 2024 and also 2025. I like this better than the one with the red swoosh. The combination of the dark mocha, the white, the ivory, and then the beige on the back, on the outsole works very well. So it has this backward swoosh as same for any signature Travis Scott sneakers. On the outsole, it has the Jack with dark mocha Jack on the outsole with a beige outsole, like a gum outsole, I would say. And then it features this strap, which I love this. And on the inside, we got a normal Nike swoosh in beige or ivory, white laces. And I think they come with either 2 or 3 pair of laces, which is another dark mocha, like a tan beige, and then another like bland dark mocha shoelace. And this also features the jack on the bottom. Same strap with some logos on the strap. I'll probably switch out the tan version. This beige version's on one side to see how nice it is. Oh, and by the way, on the back, the shoes have the Cactus Jack logo in red stitching. We have the Jumpman Jack logo on the tongue. But yeah, that's it for my unboxing, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and then just don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if I have more shoes in the future, I'll probably do more unboxing. And that's it for now, guys. Peace.